Everyone, hello everyone. Today I'm making mushroom in Indian style. For that, in a pan I have added mustard oil and I will be adding cumin seeds. I have added cumin seeds. I'm gonna let turn like golden brown. I have added some onions. As per your taste, add salt, garlic powder, red chili powder, and I will be adding some turmeric powder as well. Here's some turmeric powder. Let them turn yellow to the onions. With that, add some tomatoes. For the base, you can add also green peppers, but I don't have it, so I'm avoiding it. Our base is ready. Now we can add our mushroom and now mix it. I have mixed the mushroom with the base I have prepared earlier. Now I will be adding some peas. I have added some peas for the mushroom that we also gonna mix it up. Now I have mixed it up, mushroom with peas and the base. Now I'm gonna let it cook at the medium flame. Time to time, just mix it up. It is almost cooked, so I have added the garam masala. So this is our mushroom and peas almost ready. Now finally our mushroom and peas ready. Now enjoy. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Let me know.